Hello, Mr. Ranger. Nice to meet you. My name is Gabriel, and I'm with C.H. Robinson, a full service 3PL. Thank you for scheduling this appointment with me today. Is this still a good time for us to talk?
Sure, let's do it.
Alright, well, at C.H. Robinson, we bring the skill, technology, and expertise to make sure your logistics are easier and more cost effective. The best part is we start from day one. Now, will logistics consolidation and reduce total cost be a value to you? And is it worth us talking about?
Sure, let's just. I just don't have a lot of time. Honestly, I'm not confident C.H. Robinson could lower my overall logistic costs. I know your company is on the higher end of pricing, and I'm looking to cut costs. But our warehouse manager is golf buddies with one of your drivers. He encouraged us to at least talk to C.H. Robinson.
Well, I understand, but I'm glad that they made the introduction to us, and I'm confident we can lower your overall logistics costs because C.H. Robinson is not for that. Now, I realize not two companies are exactly the same when it comes to their logistic needs, and that there's no best proposal that would satisfy each customer unique needs. So what I would like to do today is, understand your business and its logistic needs. What I'm going to do is ask you some questions, and based on once I get a better understanding of your logistics and your business, I'll be able to offer a proposal tailored specifically to meet your needs. Does that sound okay to you?
Do what you need.
Also, I'd like to take note to help remember the important points we covered today. Is that okay?
Of course.
All right. Also, if you have any questions for me, you can write it down and let me know at the end of this meeting. Normally, this type of meeting takes around 45 minutes. Does that fit with your schedule?
Like I said, we need to try to be quick. I promise you 45 minutes, so let's just get started.
Sure. Could you please tell me about your products?
We manufacture plastic bottles and containers, mostly for cosmetic and health and beauty industry.
Okay. Could you please tell me about your product? What type of customers buy your products?
We mostly sell to mid-sized businesses. They are usually regional manufacturers or have some sort of niche or specialty market that they serve. We just really need to cut down the logistic costs, so it's really important for me.
I understand. That's why we're going to be prepared. One, specifically to meet your needs. So, I just want to know how competitive is your industry?
It's competitive.
Really? Could you please break it down for me so I can have a better understanding and make sure that I find the best proposal for you?
Sure. At the end of the day, we are a commodity-based business. Many of our customers are just looking for the lowest prices because they believe that the quantity is pretty much the same. While it's partially correct, we do believe that we have higher quality materials and we have the ability to customize orders. But just like any other commodity, there's a lot of consideration for alternatives. When we get a client, we can usually keep them, but on the flip side, when we lose them, it's hard to get them back.
Thank you, Mr. Ranger. This really gives me a clear picture of your logistic needs. Based on what I have learned, I'm confident C.H. Robinson can strengthen plastic designs, supply chains. Next, what I would like to do is focus on the areas where we can add the value. Does that sound good to you? And I would like to go, to just ask you questions about your frequency truckload, less than truckload, and containers. So, for each of these, I'm going to ask about destination, weight, nature, and value of cargo, expectations around delivery time, mode of transportations, current providers, and any special requirements of each. This may seem like a lot, so please hang with me, and this will actually help me understand your needs so I can put together the best proposal for you. So let me ask the first question. What is your frequency truckload?
Inbound, it's 2 times a week.
Mm-hmm.
Outbound, it's 4 times a week.
Okay, thank you. And your destination?
It is inbound to Illinois,
Mm-hmm.
and then outbound 1 to Ohio, 1 to Mississippi, and then 2 to New York.
All right. Can we go to weight?
Yeah, for inbound it's 38,000 pounds. For outbound it's 40,000 pounds.
40,000 pounds for outbound, right?
Yep.
All right. Next, we're going to go to the nature of cargo. So,
For inbound, it's packaging in a liquid emulsion. For outbound, it's plastic bottles, jars, and containers.
mm-hmm. Okay. Next, we're going to go to the cargo for value insurance. Could you please tell me your inbound and outbound?
It's $25,000 for inbound,
Mm-hmm.
and then outbound is $75,000.
All right. Thank you. Next, we'll be going to the customer expectations of delivery time.
5 days for both inbound and outbound, but customers are always expecting it a day sooner.
All right. Thank you for the information, and we're gonna go to the mode of transportation.
Trailer, tractor trailer, and or flatbed truck.
All right. You said flatbed truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your current providers?
JIT.
JIT. Thank you. Now we'll be going next to the less than truckload. So again, I'm gonna ask you about the frequency.
Inbound is 8 times a week.
And your outbound?
3 days for a 5-day week.
All right. Again, I'm gonna ask you about your destination.
Yeah, inbound it's Washington, Oregon, and North Carolina. And then outbound it's all 48 U.S. continental states with an average radius about 1,000 miles.
All right. So next we'll be going about the weight.
It's 4,000 pounds for inbound, and then outbound it's 2,000 pounds.
All right. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna go to the nature of cargo.
Nature of cargo, it varies for inbound, no special handlings. On the other hand, outbound has plastic bottles, jars, and containers.
All right. Now we're gonna go to the insurance, cargo value insurance. Could you please tell me your inbound and outbound?
Yeah, inbound is $8,000, outbound is $4,000.
You said outbound is $4,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And your customers' expectations of delivery time?
Yeah, it's 8 days both in and out, but customers are again expecting it a day sooner.
I understand that. We're gonna work on that. And the mode of transportation?
It is tractor trailer and or flatbed truck.
Mm-hmm. And your current providers?
JIT.
Same company. Got it. All right. So I'm gonna ask you about the container and your frequency. Can you please tell me your inbound and outbound?
Yeah, it's 2 times a month.
Hmm. Okay. And your destination?
It's 100 miles from Shanghai to the port of Shanghai
Got it.
to U.S. through San Diego, and then to DFW.
Got it. What about the weight?
It is 40,000 pounds.
40,000 pounds. Got it. Nature of cargo?
It is plastic, in the pallet form.
Pallet form. Got it. What about the cargo value for insurance?
Cargo value for insurance is $25,000 to $30,000.
All right. Your customer expectations of delivery time?
30 days, but customers are expecting it a day sooner.
Days sooner. Noted. Okay, and you're handling a port?
Parkway currently is handling all port.
Mm-hmm. Got it. And your mode of transportation?
For ground, it is flatbed,
Flatbed.
and then for sea, it's container ship.
Mm-hmm. And could you please tell me your current providers?
Strata Worldwide.
Shadow Worldwide. Got it. Well, thank you so much, all this for taking the time to help me understand your transportations and logistic requirements. This is all very useful information to me and to Robinson. Before we move forward, is there anything else you think I need to know about Plastic Design's logistic needs?
No, just make sure you can lower my overall logistic cost because I'm getting a lot of pressure to do that.
Don't worry, I understand that there's a lot of owners that feel the same way when they are under pressure to lower costs. But I believe we are confident that we can give you a proposal that will fit those needs. Okay, so when we started this meeting, I was confident C.H. Robinson could offer improvements to assist Plastic Designs, which is overall logistic requirements. Now that I have a better understanding of the services needed, I'm even more confident of our ability to fully satisfy all of your logistic needs. What I would like to do next is go back and get a little bit more detail, especially on those logistics areas where I'm confident C.H. Robinson can offer the greatest value to Plastic Designs. That way, when I create my proposal designed to address all of Plastic Design's logistic needs, my proposal would clearly highlight those areas where C.H. Robinson can provide the greatest amount of value and assistance. Is that okay with you?
Sure.
Great. I'm looking forward to it. Can we meet next week on Tuesday around 3?
That should be fine. Check with my assistant Pat on your way out.
I will. Thank you so much. And I look forward to our next meeting and continue the process of lowering your overall logistics cost. Thank you. And that's it. There's no going.
Okay, just quick feedback based on the sheets. Again, overall, Gabriel no doubt killed it. Let's see. So, the opening tactic, the introduction, dude, very confident, very professional. Didn't feel like I was in a role play. You can tell he had the script really memorized. Whipham statement, very unique to C.H. Robinson in a way that I haven't heard yet. Process statement was great. Background probes, I did give him an objection of we're just competitive, and he handled it like a pro. Didn't stutter for a second and just continued to ask, dive a little bit deeper like any great sales rep would. Transition from one to the other, very smooth, very concise. Worksheet to close was good. It's a difficult from going to the worksheet to end up trying to schedule the next meeting. I think he did a really good job at assuring that he was worth meeting with again. And then presentation, he is in a suit and tie, so dressed very professionally. Cheese.